That is a lot of snow.
Yeah, what happened to the guy who was scraping there? He quit?
Yeah, he just did the doorway.
Oh Lord, what good does that do?
Makes you feel better.
Oh, it's not even our door.
Yeah.
Look at these people trying to go down this step over there.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, let me zoom in. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's a lot of snow.
I mean, I thought we are cold here.
Uh-huh.
You have like a temperature over like in Russia over there in your place.
Yeah. My God, look at this guy walking in the snow here. He's about stuck. He said he's trudging through the snow on the sidewalk just to get home. My gosh.